under the open sky, in the hills where the lilies bloom, where legends breathe, and where harmony finds its roots. Welcome to Oakland, the land of the rare Shirui lily and rarest of spirits.
Yaifarabang asila ihinsida hangla atiya makada ay kuy mayang punere. Athoba kaya gipokna from nushi chana na pumna hingin na bagi hora from oiba loibi chingi na sida leika fan na shati lili ko bilayana.
In the northeastern embrace of India, beats a heart that is gentle, strong, and proud. This is Manipur, where nature and tradition walk hand in hand.
Bharat ki awang nongpok chidaida, buong hadana tumthin nga libi, mahusay imagi fazabaga, chatnabi kaya da kutsam na chatni nariba, iramdam Manipur ni.
Abang kalau saya, ya betul betul. Ini Manipur nanti loh terkenal dengan bangsa terkenal.
The Shirui lily, delicate, pure, and found only here, a flower that blossoms through the mist, a symbol of what makes this land unique, the pride of Ukhrul.
Iramdam asi musakta libi, iramdam asi khakta sachabi, niglalak talaiting o libi, magtraba, shing nabalayangni, shirumi, Ukhrul hi chautok chafamni.
Shirui lily is on the Rikaya, the Himami from Hama. They drink on the family, on the Dam Awan, the lady, the Bekam the Haya, Taka the Dam of Hamakina, Ukuli, Rihanna.
Nongin, our state bird, our spirit in flight. It is much more than a bird, but the embodiment of grace and beauty.
Aikogi lamdam asigi sakhang uchek noyin, shukmagi uchek amakhat mati, liem jaba amagi ningthi bagi apung shaklo namin.
Nongin is a state bird, but from a yelling to Shikame, here of an hour after the family, long later for a respondent and a Kawi to the
in the marshlands, the sunlight treads softly. The dancing deer of Loktak, the keeper of Manipur's soul.
Manipur gi thawai olibi, Shanghai kogi sajina, Loktak iyagi fungi thakta, nong na jagoi sajari.
Halam the high mahogany, so you know, lots of the Loktak way from a town now. When you're brewing, you take a look behind the young banana.
We are many hands, many voices, united in our diversity. Stronger together.
Tongan-tongan na chatnagi kaya layduna su, chip na konsiyo kena bakaya sila. Konjel amato o na sagatli ko na apun bagi lipun nama.
Itong iya mayur bajung kana, injuk bajung kana. Katay kang rong chili ko ka raw ka pa, kamarong chili kang maya.
of Ukman, the Tangkol stand tall, guardians of our proud heritage, storytellers of the land.
ꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯥꯡ ꯉꯥꯛꯂꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯊꯧꯅꯥ ꯐꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯂꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯉꯥꯛꯂꯤ ꯂꯦꯝꯖꯔꯕ ꯏꯅꯥꯠꯄꯨ ꯂꯤꯔꯤ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯗ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯋꯥꯔꯤ
ꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯏꯅꯥꯗꯇ ꯁꯤꯡꯂꯩꯀꯟ ꯃꯌꯣꯟꯕꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯀꯥꯟ ꯍꯥꯡꯕꯅꯤ
Divinity, the Rasa Leela, poetry in motion, faith made visible, beauty everlasting.
ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯐꯖꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯅꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯥꯁ ꯂꯤꯂꯥ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯕꯨ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗ ꯂꯝꯖꯤꯡꯏ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯕꯨ ꯃꯤꯠꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯎꯠꯂꯤ
ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯀꯁꯥꯆꯤꯂꯤ ꯀꯊꯔ ꯀꯖꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯣꯌꯥꯕꯣꯡ ꯆꯤꯂꯤ ꯊꯩꯌ ꯔꯥꯁ ꯂꯤꯂꯥ ꯂꯥꯁꯦꯝ ꯆꯤꯅ Jinda shita samthai sata pamatha kata mabai mana.
Tonight, we honor not just a flower, but a feeling, harmony.
Nasigi ahingsida lairang asibu ikai kumnaba khak natana pirasi nushi chanana hinginabagi paujela dusu
Arigiya ituna awana ka chimami piya kami maning mana ka ningli kumapao rai ka cha chila dana
Peace we hold dearly, a peace we offer freely, made fly far and wide.
Thamoida chetna thamjariba shanti yelasi nasidi miyamda yaukrasanu malem simnu thona
Ituna saglak ko kui chikoi kahai ituna lem na kitika chikoi kahai talak na ga masacha mayawdanu
And under one tricolor, we rise as one nation, one people. A celebration of what blooms when nature, culture, and hope come together.
Machu ahumgi filal asina punsilasi amata oina aikoi manglomda changsinginarasi
Kala aban ka thomaina sa ko kui aka chiwe atingli ituna naninjaya Yuraka Jaraka Sada.
Welcome to the Shirui Lily Festival 2025.
Mahusagi fazaba inat amadi thazabana pullaba matamda leisha tamjabi Shirui Lily bu saithazaba kumhini aikhogi Shirui Lily Festival missionary kulmana
Long Nation Kala Kitihan Kumarongli was the top to a beyond. Shirui Lily Festival 2025 Tina.